I'm excited here to tell you about some of the accessories we have available on our Advantage Lift 9000 series. You'll see that we have, today we're going to feature our jacks, our rolling jacks. This is a jack that you can put onto your lift and be able to raise the front of the car or the rear of the car. And how nice will it be to be able to do brake job, lift the car up off of the track, the tires up off of this track, take your tire off, do your brake jobs with a jack that is very sturdy, stable, and safe. Now, there's two different jacks that we offer. Number one, this one is our air assist jack, meaning you're going to have air motor here that's going to pump the hydraulics, which is going to raise the lift up. I'll show you how that works. You put an air hose to it, you push a button, that's going to easily raise this up. You'll see it's a scissor jack. It's a 4,500 pound capacity jack. You're hearing the locks click on the inside. That is a lock dog that's inside there that is very safe, meaning once it's engaged, now I can lower this just like you do your lift. I lower it down onto the locks. Now it takes all the pressure off of the hydraulics. Everything is resting on these locks. So I'm very stable. I have no teeter-totter going on with the lift when I have my car adjusted. Now, another thing to take it down, you have to, just like your lift, you raise this up, open up your lock. This is a handle that you're going to move forward, and then lower your jack down. Smooth operation. A feature about this jack is that it is a very low clearance jack. I want you to look. The drive over clearance is just 3 inches. So you're very low for when this is sitting on there and you're wanting to drive a vehicle over top of it, it's only 3 inches drive over clearance. Now, some of the accessories that come with our jacks is going to be our 2 dense foam pads. These pads allow you to jack a car off of this platform in the center. So you can use this to put a barrier between your powder-coated finished frame and the metal jack to lift from there. Or we have these telescopic arms that come out. You would pull these out to the desired spot that you need to be. If you're on a Corvette and you need to get to the outside pucks right behind the front tires, you pull that out, and now we give you a couple different adapters. You can use the 2-inch adapter, or you can remove that and just put the puck in itself if that's good for you. Or we have a 5-inch adapter that you can put in there if you're doing a truck and you need to get under some undercarriage under the vehicle. Now, once that you've adjusted the arms out, it's to the frame. You imagine you have your puck right here on your car that you're picking up. Now you raise this up. That's going to pick up at the frame, raise the car up off the tracks. Very simple. And then again, to lower it, open the locks, hit the handle to come down. This jack is 365 pounds, but I want to show you how easily, because we use wheels. We have a rail inside of our lift, and we put an axle with a wheel on it. That makes this so simple to be able to move front to back, where a lot of the competitors, they use a piece of angle iron that rides on here and it slides. Well, it gets cockeyed inside there. This just rolls very simply when you are on that wheel, makes it very easy access from front to back of the lift. You will notice there is a spot on the back of the lift that you can store your adapters. They store nicely in a little holder that we've designed in the back of that as well. Now, that is our air hydraulic jack. We also have a manual pump. It's the exact same jack, but we replaced this portion of it, and it's a hand pump. It's red in color, and so you would manually just pump like a porta power, and that's going to raise the jack up manually instead of using an air assist. Is the only difference between the 2 jacks. This will make this lift a complete working lift. Instead of just a lift that you're storing a car on or working oil change, you add this to it. Now I can do about anything that I can do on a 2-post with the addition of this jack. Because that's the thing that people always say, I don't want a 4-post because I can't get the tires off. Well, with the addition of this jack, you can do all of that.